Traders, just another video to introduce you to our new indicator and our counter trend trading strategy. We're waiting for that signal, and if that signal fires and there's a green or red shaded zone under, we look to take the trade. I've got to set my stop loss, bear with me. Now, how we go about this, we're looking for the entry point on the lower time frame. Okay, so the indicators have given us a signal. See over here on the right, these are the alerts that are going off. In fact, the dollar Swiss, that was the 1 hour alert there. Right, and then we come in on the lower time frame and we look for a few things. One, we need to see divergence. Two, we need to see a yellow, orange or a white line indicating a higher time frame level. And generally, I like to see a shift from, in this case, from red to green. I got in a little bit early on this one based on time frame, this time frame here. I'll show you what I was looking for. Right, this is the 2-minute chart. Actually, the entry point was based on that signal there. Okay, so we saw on the 2-minute the divergence. Okay, we've got the previous daily low, and this was the signal here to get long. These were trending up. That green alert kicked in, and that's your cue to go long. Now this trade, I set a fairly wide stop. It could have been a lot tighter than that. In any case, that's what we're looking for now. Once this starts to gain traction, we can pull our stop loss up and follow it. We can see that we've got some red signals kicking in here, so we might see it pull back. If that's the case, I mean, you can play with this. You could close this trade here, secure profits, and based on these, look for the pullback. So why not we do that? This is scalping, right? So now we've banked nearly $20. Let's set another alert here for this to pull back and give us another entry. Right, and I'll be looking for a trend bar alert on this time frame. 3 dots, add alert, bar color change once per bar close, and that will tell me when these candles turn from green to red and then green again. And we just wait for that to come in here. Okay guys, that's a quick look at our counter trend scalping strategy. I think we've got a kids party going on in the background.